how to plant a tree. It's very important to do it in the correct way. Otherwise you lose so much time and growth potential for your tree. Look at the size of your container. You dig your hole the size of that container, a little bit bigger. Then you add your compost and you add some root stimulating fertilizer. A very common mistake that people make is they plant the tree too deep. I'm going to illustrate to you. When you plant a tree, this is what we call a 40 liter. You would put this inside the hole. You would take a sharp knife. You would slit the side of the bag like that. And then you can close the tree up. When planted, this level must be the same level than your ground level after planting. A small tree, the same thing, as well as the big tree. When you plant it too deep, it suffocates the tree. After doing that, you can form a dam around your tree that will keep the water concentrated around the root ball when you're watering the tree. After 2-3 weeks, you can remove the dam and continue with normal gardening around your tree. Please visit any of our 8 stores throughout Gauteng for expert advice on how to plant a tree, how to fertilize a tree, and how to look after a beautiful tree in your garden.